So now we will study about the cardiac cycle. So cardiac cycle comprises of three stages. First stage is joint diastole, second stage is atrial systole, and third stage is ventricular systole. First I will explain you about joint diastole. Diastole means to relax. Okay. So now in joint diastole is of only 0.4 second, in which all the four chambers of the heart is being relaxing. That means from the vena cava, superior vena cava, from the upper body, inferior vena cava, from the lower body, collect all deoxygenated blood and pour it into the right atrium, and from the right atrium it will go to the right ventricle, and here again from the lungs, the oxygenated blood comes to the left atrium, and from the left atrium the blood comes to the left ventricle. So all four chambers is relaxing in this first stage of the cardiac cycle. Okay, all four chambers are relaxed. Now we will study about arterial systole. Systole means contraction. Arterial means artery. So now in this stage the arteries will get contracts. So now right arteries, here this side the right arteries will get contract, and when the right arteries will get contract, the wall should be open here. Now this is contracting. If this is contracting, so the valve should be open here so that the blood can flow to the right ventricle. So, and here also this side, when left auricle is contracting, then also there should be the valves open here that the blood could reach in the left ventricle. So these valves are called as, that I explained you, bicuspid and tricuspid valves. But here together we can say this, the AV valves. AV valve is arterioventricular valve. Arterioventricular valve get opens, which enables the blood to get into the next chamber. Okay. So now here the arterial systole means in the arteries get contract, and when the arteries will get contract, automatically the blood will come in the next chambers. Okay. And third is ventricular systole. In the ventricular systole, again the ventricles will get contract. So now blood reaches to the left ventricle here, and here if I am discussing about this side, here the blood is now in the right ventricle. So now in ventricular systole, this ventricles will get contract, and when ventricles get contract, from here the blood will go to the aorta, and aorta to the different body cells. And if here ventricle will contract, then blood will reaches into the lungs. So here maybe there is a chance to backflow of the blood. No, because ventricle is now contracting. So maybe there is a chance if valves will get open, then obviously the blood can also go back. The blood can also move in the backside. So to prevent the backflow of the blood, this arterioventricular valve is now get closed. Okay. So during ventricular systole, AV valves gets closed to prevent backflow of the blood. To prevent, again I am writing, AV valves get closed to prevent backflow of the blood. Okay. So now when the first cardiac cycle ends, second cardiac cycle starts. So in the next, if after ending this ventricular systole, again the joint diastole will starts. In what happened in the joint diastole? In joint diastole again four chambers are relaxing. So now in the last ventricular systole, we read that here the valves are open. Obviously, from left ventricle, the valve is open there. So then only the blood can go in different organs. Like from right ventricle, the valve is open. That's why through that open valve it goes to the lungs. And that time also the valve is open. In left ventricle also the valve is open. That's why it can reach into the aorta to the different parts of the body. So that valves now again this in joint diastole, all chambers are relaxing. So here also it can happen that backflow of the blood can happen. To prevent that backflow of the blood, that semilunar valves that are present in the left ventricle and that are present in the right ventricle and that are present in the left ventricle, that semilunar valves get closed. So here in the left ventricle and the right ventricle consists of semilunar valves. So semilunar valves now get closed, that to prevent the backflow of the blood, that the blood can easily supply in the joint diastole, that is in the relaxed phase. That the blood can easily in the joint diastole, I explained you that blood is coming from the vena cava to right auricle, then right ventricle, and from the lungs blood is coming from left auricle to left ventricle. Okay, so this is about the this is about the cardiac cycle of human heart.